We need more commercials like the one that Pete Hoekstra put together. The liberal media made it into such a big deal because anytime you have something that's successful, they only know how to do three things. The tactics of the left are boiled down to three things. I call it the sin tactics. They either shift the subject, ignore the facts, or they name call. So for that commercial, they had to try to label it as racist because factually it was true. Everything in it was true. So the only thing that they could do was to try to marginalize it by saying that it was racist. I've had that happen to me also. That happened to me in my campaign. Anytime you have something that's working or something that might work, they would try to find a way to demagogue it. And so that's what they were trying to do. In fact, I have my creative producer with me, who's the most dangerous man in Hollywood. And he has some ideas that he's shared with Pete, and we're going to work on Pete on the Bus. So the people who were offended by that commercial with the little girl in it, get ready. There might be more.